Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first time to Italy and I thought I'd document the whole journey. This is my second stop from Ottawa to Toronto, so I'm here in Toronto waiting for my flight. I'm going by Air Canada today and my first stop is Germany, and then from Germany I will be stopping at one airport in Italy, and my last stop will be in Milan where I will be staying. Flying Flex Comfort does not offer a whole lot more than economy, but with this flight, since it's such a long flight, we are offered pillows, blankets, and meals. So my first meal here is supper, and the next meal will be a small breakfast. They've already announced. And this is what we got for breakfast: a slice of cake. First stop is Germany, as mentioned, and from there I got to take a bus. Well, the airport is so different in Germany. I had to take a shuttle from the airport to another airport where I'll catch my flight for Italy. So I am on the bus right now, leaving the airport and heading to the next terminal where I can catch my flight for Italy. And so that will be Milan. This video is being completed during my stay in Milan, Italy. And I've got a cold, so excuse my voice. But this video is way overdue and I have to upload it now. So we are about to board the plane for Italy. Yes, and we had to get outside, so boarding is on the outside. And we are now, it's going to be another hour and a half to our destination. First destination was 8.5 hours, Toronto to Germany, and now an hour and a half from Germany. After which we will be taking a train to our final destination, where we will be staying at an Airbnb. The local trains here are very comfortable. The seats are very comfortable. And this train, which is from the airport, has sections where you can put your luggage and sit comfortably to your destinations. We have arrived at the Airbnb and our first meal is, what do you expect? Pizza. So when we got to the first restaurant, all we could find was everything with dough. It was either pizza or some other bread. So we got our first Italian pizza and it's very different. It's not like the pizza in Canada. The crust is very thin. So that was our first meal and it was okay. We are here in Italy on two occasions. Number one, representing Canada, as my friend's granddaughter is representing Canada in a dance competition. And we are also here as tourists, of course. So we will be exploring some parts of Italy. Today, day one, we're heading to Venice. So first we have to catch a train to one destination and then another train to take us to Venice. Let's continue this journey with me and we'll meet in Venice, where I'll give you full details of how my journey goes.
We would like to inform you that our checking operations will begin shortly. Please have your ticket code or QR code ready. Welcome on board Italy APR 73 from
2. Venezia Santa Lucia.
Please be reminded that smoking is prohibited on Italy.
After 3 hours train ride, we arrived in Venice. Let's explore Venice. Venice is a unique city in northeastern Italy built on a lagoon. Instead of roads, Venice relies on canals and pedestrian walkways. Boats and water buses are the main form of transportation. The city is built on more than 100 islands on a shallow lagoon. It was so fascinating to see the buildings at the edge of the water. Another spectacular sight were the architecture. Oh my, the buildings are so amazing. The most impressive and historic are the churches. The boats aligned along the canals awaiting passengers and tourists. There are walkways taking you from one area to another. And as we cross over to the stores and other buildings, we have the crossover bridges. You can cross over either by foot or by boat. And there is also a water bus. Many water buses. The water buses takes tourists over to the other parts of the island, of the city, and also people who live on various parts of the city do take the water buses also. Most people have small boats that they for transportation, but a lot of them rely on the other water buses. They do differentiate between the water buses and the smaller boats. The water buses are called vaporetti. It was a rainy day in Venice. We were not expecting rain. It caught us by surprise, and we were not able to take the boats as we planned, and did most of our tour, all of our tour, by foot, walking through alleys and everywhere, all over, by foot. And we had to get umbrellas to finish our tour, but we managed to see a few indoor places, such as churches, one of the biggest areas of attraction at the churches. lunchtime. We're tired and hungry. I forgot to take a picture of my meal.
Amoritate, appiacci da parte le vine. Sono un catesto e sonore che pasto sonnire. Ma allora cantesto, nagaresto come racci. Oda sate ture iteriti, ma ora pirecci. A perpetuare consonanze del carito pensiamo e c'è una vita giura resanace presanace e sanace presanaci presanace presanace e conto la canti a faldarci che marci cantare sente quentino fa ritenso la vita che qua percia pestole stracce che meracce.
Well, this is Venice, the city on water. I would have loved to show you a lot more, but it rained so heavily and it rained all day. I was in Venice for about 15 hours. It rained the whole day. The rain poured heavily and I was not able to do as much as I planned to. But it was such an amazing tour. It was so great to see this spectacular city, this unique city. And I love water, so just watching the water was just good enough for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And also comment. It's always great to see your comments. And if you would like to see more videos like that, please add that in your comment and I'll make sure to show you a lot more videos like this. Enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you for watching.